You feel stuck every time you check your account balance, and the debt just won't go away. You work hard every day, but your money disappears fast, and the debt keeps growing like a shadow you cannot escape. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. You do not need a high income to get out of debt. You need a clear strategy and discipline. Most people think the only solution is to earn more money. Yes, that helps. But if you do not control what you already have, more money will not fix the problem. Now, this is where it changes. The first step is facing your debt honestly. You need to know exactly how much you owe, every loan, every credit, every small balance. Avoiding it only makes it worse. When you see the full picture, you take back control. Next, stop adding new debt immediately. This is non-negotiable. Even small spending adds up fast. That daily snack, that quick online order, it is costing you your freedom. Most people don't realize this. Debt grows quietly. It grows while you sleep. Now let's talk about your income. It may be low, but it is still powerful if used correctly. Split your income into 3 parts. Essentials, minimum debt payments, extra debt payments. Essentials come first. Food, rent, transport. Keep it simple. Cut anything that is not necessary. Now this part is important. Pay the minimum on all debts. Never miss them. But here's the real strategy. Put every extra naira into one debt at a time. This is called focus. You are not spreading yourself thin. You are attacking one target. Start with the smallest debt. Pay it off as fast as possible. When that one is gone, move to the next. And the next. Now this creates momentum, and momentum is everything. Most people quit because they feel stuck, but when you see progress, you keep going. Now let's talk about cutting expenses. This is where you gain speed. Look at everything you spend money on. Be honest with yourself. Cancel what you do not need. Reduce what you can. Even small savings matter. They build over time. But here's the truth. It will feel uncomfortable. You may have to say no to things, nights out, new clothes, impulse buys. Most people avoid this discomfort. That is why they stay in debt. Now this is where it changes again. You can also increase your income, even slightly. It does not have to be big. Small side efforts can make a huge difference. Freelance work, selling items, extra shifts, anything that adds more cash flow. Every extra money goes straight to your target debt. Do not increase your lifestyle. Increase your speed. Now let's talk about mindset. This is the part that decides everything. You must believe that you can get out of debt, even if it feels slow, because it will be slow at first. That is normal. But over time, it speeds up. Progress builds on itself. Most people quit too early. They never see the results. Stay consistent. That is your advantage. Track your progress weekly. Watch the numbers go down. This builds confidence, and confidence keeps you going. Now imagine this. One day you wake up and you owe nothing. No stress, no pressure, just freedom. That feeling is worth every sacrifice you make today. So start now. Write down your debts. Make a plan. Take control. It will not be perfect, but it will work if you stay consistent. And remember this, your income does not define your future. Your habits do. If you stay disciplined, focused, and patient, you will win this fight. And when you do, your life will never be the same again. Now take that first step today.